As far as side hustles go, dog walking sounds like a pretty sweet deal. Here's what to know about how much you can really expect to earn from parading pups these days. Your income will, of course, depend on your rate, so let's start there. According to Home Guide, the average fee for a 30-minute dog walk starts at around $10 on the low end and maxes out near $35 on the higher end. Think about it like this. If you hit it off with just one pet owner in your area for a rate of $20 for a 30-minute walk, and that dog needs to be walked 3 times a day, 5 days a week, then you could be bringing in an extra $300 every week. To expand your network, you may want to consider signing up for a popular app like Rover or Wag. However, be mindful that these apps will want their cut. For instance, Rover takes a 20% service fee from each booking. Wag, on the other hand, charges twice that with a 40% service fee. So while dog owners feel like they're paying a fairly expensive price for each walk, you won't be seeing all those high rates in your payout. Most apps will allow you to set your own rate, so you could theoretically increase your price to cover the app's 20 to 40% service fees. However, that obviously means you'll need to find customers who are willing to pay your competitive rates, and you'll likely get more business with more moderate prices. Be sure to drop a comment below with your favorite side hustle, and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.